To access your job's field report form, the PM or operations team will email you a link. As you open your email to view the link, you want to make sure that it opens in Safari. Safari is Apple's application for the internet and looks like a blue compass. Copy and paste this link into the Safari app. Smartsheet may then ask you to sign in. Do so by clicking the Google tab here. Type in your email and password and click Next. Now that you have the form open in Safari, I want to show you an easy trick to make it quicker to access. Click the icon on the bottom of the screen that looks like a box with an upwards arrow. Scroll over and click Add to Home Screen. Now this form will appear as an app on your home screen. Click to open easily. When filling out the comment section, save time by using the Talk to Text feature on your iPhone. Click the microphone on the bottom right-hand corner.